Hello, I'm Nikhil from Technery.com. Today we have Aria Z3 from Salora. So let's do the unboxing of the smartphone. So here is the smartphone. So let's see what are the inbox accessories with this smartphone. So here is the user manual, warranty card and a screen protector, a USB charging cable, a charger and a earphone. Though we suggest our users to buy another headphone for better music experience. So let's see the physical aspects of the smartphone. Talking about the design, this smartphone has a lock or power button on the right hand side. Volume rocker buttons are on the left hand side. On the top there are 3.5mm jack and a micro USB slot. So here is the microphone. So let's see what's at the back of the smartphone. So as we can see, there are two SIM card slots. One is a mini SIM card SIM slot and one is a micro SIM slot and with a micro SD slot. So this is a battery which is having a capacity of 2200 milliampere hour capacity. So let's get the back panel fitted again. So yeah, we are all set. So let's start the smartphone. So here comes the logo of the smartphone, Aria. So this phone has a IPS display. The screen size is 5-inch. The resolution of the screen is 1280 by 720 pixels. It has an octa-core processor with 1.4 GHz frequency. It has an 8 megapixel rear camera with LED flash. At back you can see the Aria logo and Salora logo. On the front it is having a 2 megapixel camera. The phone is powered by Android 4.4 KitKat. So talking about the connectivity features, it has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS. It also has a flight mode. Auto rotation is there. It also has a car screen feature in which you can connect to the LED or LCD TV or with your laptop or computer. It is a dual SIM smartphone, so the touch is very nice. You can easily navigate through the screens. So here is the menu. So here you can see a list of applications on the smartphone. So let's go to the settings of the smartphone. So here are the connectivity features, audio profiles. You can set up audio profiles, GPS settings. You can add Google accounts. So let's see the about phone feature. So as we said, you can see the model number, Aria Z3, kernel version, build number. So the back button is on the extreme right. There is a home button in the between, and on the left hand side you can see a recent apps button. So let's run a benchmark test. So let's run an Antutu benchmark test. So we had a test with this device. The score was 28506. So let's see the ranking of the device. So the device ranks in just between the LG G3 and HTC One smartphone as per the benchmark results. So this is quite an exciting result as the phone's price is just 6,999. So the performance is very nice. So let's check out the camera of the smartphone. object here. So it's an 8 megapixel camera. So here is a flash. So easily you can take up pictures. There's an HDR mode wherein it does take a bit amount of time to capture the picture. So there are settings, or you can use GPS location information, exposure, color effect, and lots of effects. You can capture video also, HD videos. So camera is a nice feature. So let's play a game on the smartphone. Let's test the gaming capacity. Can it handle Subway Surfers? Let's test it out. Yes, the screen is very responsive. So we can keep on playing this game for a lot of time without any lags at all. So good gaming experience. So overall this phone has a good gaming experience, a decent camera. The weight of the smartphone is also not that heavy. We like the back panel of the smartphone. It has a matte finish. The phone has a price of rupees 6,999, and we believe at this price this phone is of the best quality which you can get in the market right now. So you can buy this smartphone from Amazon. Thank you for watching this video. Keep visiting technary.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.